Hi guys, so this is Surbhi from Surbhi Goindani Makeovers. Can you see any makeup on my face today? No, barely. But guess what? I have done makeup, but it is no makeup look. There are many times when we don't want to do heavy makeup, but still we want our skin to look healthier and fresh. So for these kind of occasions and times, we go for no makeup look. But I have seen many girls are not able to achieve this kind of makeup. They end up with putting lots of makeup. So I have so many tricks and tips for achieving this flawless look and healthier skin look, no makeup look. Let's get started.
For prepping my skin, I am using brightening serum from Face Shop. And for the better hydration, I am using Milagro Beauty Oil followed by We will start with foundation first. For my foundation, I am using Kryolan Supra color as it gives very good coverage and has light texture. Now I am using two shades from Kryolan, FS24 and 28, blending them together to match them according to my complexion. You can mix and match foundations according to your skin tone too. Remember the golden rule of the makeup, less is more. Apply less, but yeah, blend it nicely all over your face. Once done with the foundation, we will contour. For this, I am again using Kryolan shade NG2. Girls, don't go too dark on contouring. You just want very less of it for giving 3D dimensional look to the face. Your contouring should look very soft. Now let's move to concealing the pigmented areas. For this, I'm using PAC Supra Base number 14. It has sort of yellow color in it, which is very essential for cutting the darkness. Indian skin tone should always mix yellow base in their foundations. After blending your concealer, blend it more and overlap it with the previous foundation which we used for the base. It's time to lock the base down so that it doesn't get melt in hot sunny day. For this, I'm using Laura Mercier translucent powder. Remember, always use very less quantity because we need to seal our base. Then followed by the blush, just to add hint of pinkiness on the apples of your cheeks. Time for the brows, but don't give them proper shape, just make them a little darker. For eyes, take any powder contour. I am using Kat Von D contour palette. Dunk your brush in the contour color, blend it on the upper crease of your eye base. It will give depth to the eyes. apply any nude color kohl on your waterline. I'm using one from Wet n Wild. I'm using Maybelline Volume Express for my mascara. Remember, you have to only apply it on your inner lashes. Don't drag it to upward. For lips, take any pink color lipper, apply less and rub it gently just to give illusion of pink lip. Finishing my look with MAC Prep and Prime Fixer. Fan it till it's dry. So here's my final look, guys. I hope you like it and you enjoyed it. Thank you.